In this video, we will show you how to turn off YouTube's new auto dubbing feature permanently on your Android or iPhone. So as you may already know, YouTube automatically dubs videos that are in foreign languages. So this can be frustrating. However, if you want to stop it, all you have to do is head to your profile and then tap on this gear icon at the top. In here, you will see this languages option. Simply tap on it. Now here you should see this preferred languages option. Simply tap on it. Now here you will see a list of languages. Here all you have to do is select the languages that you already know. Once you do, YouTube will no longer automatically dub videos that are in these languages. So if I select for instance English from here, YouTube will no longer dub the videos that are already in the English language. I can then just tap on confirm and then restart the YouTube app to apply the changes. Once I do this, the auto dubbing feature will be disabled for the selected languages. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.